Hi all, and welcome to today's video. So some of you guys actually may not have known, I have been without my car for about 4 or 5 days now because my AC compressor actually went and blew on me, so it completely seized up. Fluid was leaking everywhere, the dry belt wasn't even going, so yeah, that's kind of where I've been at. But she is back with me now. I am so excited. But looking at this car after not seeing it for so long, it's actually so dirty. Not just the outside, but the inside too. I have just not been on top of my game for keeping this thing as clean as I should. So I'm gonna get the dust off, clean up the outside, get the inside all fresh and clean. So let's get to it. To be completely honest with you, I don't even know what's in the back seat right now. Oh yeah. I have so much junk back here. Looks like I have some Costco stuff, more blender bottles, some papers. Ooh, yeah, that needs a vacuum as well. My fellow lifters know the horrors of finding a blender bottle. It's been in your car for, at this rate, over 2 months. So I don't even want to open this thing. I actually have this knock sensor that I purchased, and this is even older. I need to put this in because my car, periodically, it'll throw P0330, and it's for a knock sensor. I got the right sensor and everything. I've been trying to find diagrams on how to put it in, but I've been searching all over the engine bay for where this knock sensor goes, and I honestly have no idea. This is the Bank 2. I'm pretty sure this is the Bank 2 knock sensor. I don't know where to put it, or if you guys have done it, if you know where to put it, or you have like diagrams, let me know, because I've been meaning to put this on to get that code from just popping up periodically, but I don't even know where to put it. Okay, so I took all the trash out. No more junk in the inside of the car. Here's what we're looking at to vacuum right now. I do not know how I let that much collect in this car. That's literally so sad. And it's kind of the same over here too. Driver's side is done. With just the vacuum, you guys can see how much better the carpets are looking. So yeah, now I'm gonna go in here, since the carpets are all clean, and work on cleaning off this stuff and the center console. So let's get to it. Door card, nice and clean. Interior cleaner now. There's no more like mud, dirt, grime on the sides. And like I said, I just wanted to do a quick wipe down to get it nice and clean. Overall, it's nice. Everything's pretty decent. Looking good. Better looking in the inside now. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the exterior. Literally all I use, which you guys have probably actually already seen in other videos, is I like to use Chemical Guys products. Their wrap detailer has been doing a really good job for me, keeping the car clean. Go much more shiny there. So yeah, she's looking good. Just with a quick wipe down, it makes a big difference. Like I said, the car isn't even that dusty at all, so I have no issue just doing that. It looks good. Thank you guys for watching and tuning into today's video. We'll see you next time.